What does the typeof operator return when checking a string variable? This fundamental TypeScript question reveals whether you understand runtime type checking. When you use the typeof operator on a string variable, it returns the string literal string. Notice that the return value is itself a string. So if you check typeof on a variable containing hello, you get back the 5-character string. This is true for any string value, whether it's empty, contains one character, or holds an entire paragraph. It's important to know that typeof is an operator, not a function. You don't need parentheses, though they're optional. This means you write typeof my variable, not typeof of my variable. Being an operator makes it similar to plus or minus. It's built directly into the JavaScript language syntax. Here's where it gets interesting. The typeof operator works differently for string primitives versus string objects. A primitive string literal gives you string, but if you create a string object using the new keyword, typeof returns object. This distinction matters in practice because you should almost always use primitives, not string objects. Let's recap the key behaviors. First, typeof always returns a string representation of the type. Second, the result for string primitives is always exactly string in lowercase. Third, it evaluates at runtime, so it checks the actual value, not the TypeScript type annotation. To answer the question, typeof returns the string literal string when checking a string variable. Master this operator. It's fundamental to JavaScript type checking. Try it yourself in the console. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.